in to Jim's second appointment. He gets stitches out today. I'm going to try to video as much as I can for everybody. And I'm thinking he's getting a new cast again. I hope. Can you see it all?
How about the number 5 of large Dr. Pepper noise?
Okay.
What can I get for you?
Yeah, can I get a number 5 large Dr. Pepper noise? Please?
Anything else?
No, that's it.
11:44, your second one, please. Thank you.
Thanks. Hello. How are you? I'll pull over and bring it back, Jim.
I'm getting some rented lunch from Burger Sling. Some greasy, nasty shit that's gonna just slide right on out, but it'll be good. It'll be delicious.
I get to eat the good stuff. I get to eat banana.
Ha! She's constantly dieting, constantly. Always.
And a Dunkin', of course.
Yeah, she's gotta have her coffee. Just as bad as I am, except for I'm terribly picky on my coffee.
Because the banana really compares to a yummy burger and fries. Thank you. Sorry. I just went in reverse. Can I go right over here?
Yeah.
I don't know if that was Burdick's, but whatever.
Parking lots are separated.
Alright. My lunch. Banana and cold cuts. And maybe beef jerky. Jim's lunch.
It's dripping. It's delicious.
Freaking yummy Burger King.
Frankie Silver Surfer, he's gonna be pissed, but this stuff's just too good sometimes.
He feels better today with the new boot. Hey guys, so I'm actually not driving right now. I did order a stand that suction cups, and it was supposed to be here yesterday, and it's not here. And I ordered it from Amazon, so they are slacking really bad because it should have been here by yesterday. Jim went to the doctor's today, and he has his cast off. Stitches are out. He has a boot now, which kind of I think is nice. I think he said it feels pretty good. It's almost like an adjustable cast, and eventually he'll walk in it, but he goes back in 2 months, so he cannot put any weight on that foot for the next 2 months. So 8 weeks, I guess. So yeah, he's on the mend. We're getting there. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, so this bathroom is freaking nasty, okay? All I can say is thank God they have paper towels, but I'm also gonna show a viewer that did not believe that I could kick this faucet off, and it's really no problem for me at all. Like I said, this paper towels, I'm all set. It's just to prove a point, pretty much. So yeah, just balance here. All right, and kick it. I may not look limber, but I could definitely kick off a faucet.